So one bad news is out. Essential recruitment process sending the rejection mail. Massive rejection is happening. If you see this, we regret to inform that based on your overall performance that you did not give your 100%. That's why they are sending you the rejection mail. But the thing is, I want to tell you more than that. क्योंकि अगर यहाँ पे मैं तुम्हें कुछ चीज़ें दिखाऊं, like this is the PPT I created and this is the navigating selection, ठीक है, rejection and next step will be there. Agenda, placement update, email notification, role allocation, guidance, post selection process and final advice. So this is going to be a big update for you, because if you see here, many thing is here and you will never know about this. I am 100% sure that you don't know about these things. So please watch video till and understand each and everything, otherwise you will never get to see any update. First of all, already told you what is going on. We appreciate your time and effort in first our recruitment process and वगैरह वगैरह. So this is the official rejection mail. Now there is a cooling period applied, a 6-month cooling period. You can't apply in any opportunity. So this is the official rejection mail that you are rejected. So don't worry, don't lose hope. Apply for other opportunities which I daily uploading. Just apply for each and every hirings, ठीक है? And do comment if you want a specific role or specific बैचेस, डिग्रीज एंड ब्रांचेस और रोल ऑल्सो, ठीक है? कमेंट करो, मैं वीडियो ले आऊँगा. नाउ अंडरस्टैंड दिस थिंग विच इज़ वेरी मैंडेटरी फॉर यू. नाउ द थिंग इज placement update and email notification. Now moving forward, understand the current scenario, like recent placement update, selection and rejection emails sent to phase 2 candidate. I already showed you the rejection mail, or in the previous video we already see the selection mail. About 70% received selection mail and 30% still awaiting notification. ठीक है, काफ़ी अच्छे नंबर में हायरिंग हुई है, बट रिजेक्शन विल बी देयर मोर, इंक्लूडिंग बैकग्राउंड वेरिफिकेशन रिजेक्शन एंड इंटरव्यू रिजेक्शन. तो यहाँ पे अभी होना बाकी है बहुत कुछ है. सिलेक्शन मेल हो गया, अच्छी बात है, बट इफ़ यू आर नॉट पासिंग द background verification phase, then you will get to see the rejection mail even you clear the interview. Now communication changes for phase 2. Email are sent in batches, not all at once, ठीक है? Selection email sent first followed by rejection emails. So there is a selection mail, after that you will see the rejection mail. Means पहले selection जितने बच्चे हो गए उनको दे रहे हैं, after that they are sending the rejection mail of that student who are rejected. Staying informed and patient. See, pending candidate should wait 3-4 days for update. Avoid overthinking. Process is ongoing and phased wise, ठीक है? Process is ongoing and they are sending the mail on the basis of phases, batches and slot. Suppose my slot is 19th January, so I will get to see the rejection or selection mail after 29th December result, ठीक है? तो ये slot wise भी होता है. Now selection email insight. So this is the big thing. Majority of phase 2 candidates selected, ठीक है? Approximately 70% receive the congratulation mail. This is the big news. मतलब ये as compared to phase 1, many candidates get the selection mail. In the phase 2, selection confirmation process. Selection is officially only upon receiving the congratulation mail. That's it. Role allocation based on coding performance. See, if you advanced associate 3 coding or 2 coding solved, or associate 2 coding questions solved, then this will be yours. Like associate role मिल जाएगा, advanced associate role मिल जाएगा. This will give you the pure IT role होगा, pure IT और programming software you have to create. Then कोई भी role मिले, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Now rejection and regret emails. Already show you the rejection mail. Rejection emails send in batches, slots and phases. Now regret email begin arriving this afternoon for phase 2 candidates, ठीक है? Now the thing is, regret email indicates a non-selection. Receiving a regret mail confirm you were not selected this time. You have to keep in mind, this is the clear cut answer. Stay positive and resilient. See, rejection is not the end. Keep upgrading your skill and applying. How to apply, already told you. I am daily uploading the videos of big hirings, mass opportunities. Go and apply for that. Go and apply for that hirings. Now listen carefully. No email yet. What it means. Initial email phase, selection email sent to about 70% of candidate. This is clear. Pending notification, nearby 30% have not received any mail yet. Now batch processing. Email are sent in batches, not all at once. That's why there is a delay and there is a phase wise scenario. They are just using phase wise, batch wise. Upcoming days, next 3-4 days are crucial for pending notification. बट हैव पेशेंस, इससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं बोल सकते, क्योंकि ऑफिशियल मेल तुम देखो 29 दिसंबर वेट्स, कितना वेट किया उन लोगों ने, बट फॉर्चुनेटली दे गॉट द मेल, ठीक है। सो यू विल ऑल्सो गेट द मेल, जस्ट वेट फॉर दैट ऑफिशियल मेल। Paged communication explained. See, multiple send email sent in multiple phases. Company release batch notification in batches, not simultaneously. Now selection email arrive first. Initial communication focus on congratulations selected, then candidates, ठीक है। Rejection email follow later. Regret mails are sent after selection mail, often the next day. Now patience is essential because you have not received any mail. Avoid overthinking and wait for update, because officially mail ये ही है जो तुम्हें बताएगा कि you are selected और rejected. नाउ रोल एलोकेशन एंड गाइडेंस, जो कि यहाँ पे अच्छे से समझेंगे। कम्युनिटी रोल एलोकेशन इनसाइट लाइक advanced associate role. If you solve three coding are often considered for advanced role, and associate role criteria two coding question if you generally shortlisted for associate role, and mostly candidate get the associate role, ठीक है। community based observation role allocation site are based on student feedback, not officially company statement, ठीक है। keep in mind. Now guidance for rejected candidates, listen carefully and don't be sad. Now rejection is a stepping stone. View setback as opportunities for growth. Continuous skill enhancement is very mandatory. Stay active on portal, job portal, which I daily uploading video. Check out my videos. Prepare for mass hiring. TCS is ongoing. Prepare for the 10th March support. 10th March is the first slot assessment of the TCS. Cognizant and Capgemini will soon recruit in bulk. Don't worry. Just do subscribe my channel and join Telegram and WhatsApp also. Post selection process and final advice. See, next step after selection, this is very mandatory if you are selected. Document verification step, submit all required document accurate and promptly. Now double check for error or misinformation before uploading, and check out your documents. If there is a mismatch related to your Accenture application, then please update your PAN and Aadhaar card. Onboarding mistake to avoid incomplete form or incorrect detail can delay joining. Not responding to company communication quickly, ठीक है, जितनी जल्दी हो सकता है हमें क्विक रिप्लाई देना है। If they are sending you the form, just fill that form, submit it. Background verification and workday. Ensure all personal and academic detail must match record. Follow instruction for workday portal and BGV process. That's it. Staying prepared and positive. See, wait for official mail. Do not celebrate until onboarding is complete, because verification is the part in which you will see the massive rejection. Keep in mind, next video उसी पे आएगी कि rejection से कैसे बचे during document verification. Maintain a positive outlook, which is very compulsory. Engage with the peer communication, which I am uploading. Join WhatsApp Telegram channel. Now key takeaway and final thoughts. Selection rejection are pending and pending emails. All are normal step in the placement process. Don't worry. Patience is the key. Emails are sending in batches. Avoid overthinking. Continuous learning and application. Keep upgrading skill and apply to multiple companies. Rest your journey, because stay optimistic and engage with the community for support. Be confident, be prepared, and be yourself. Get the job, because you will definitely get the job. Don't worry. The thing is, if you're having any query related to anything, because workday queries, next video on workday query and documents query, just comment down about these two queries, like if you are getting workday error और workday में account में दिक्कत है क्या है और document में क्या दिक्कत है, just comment down. I will take your queries and create that video and will give you the solution if there is the legal solution, ठीक है। Don't worry, just comment down. And if you having any query about this, which I already told you, just comment down and don't worry. Just this is the rejection, official rejection. We can't do anything because 6 month cooling period is applied. So don't worry. There is many opportunities for you. I'm just uploading daily and daily and daily, but I don't know you are watching is or not. So please watch my videos. So please do subscribe my channel, like this video. Thanks for watching.